Woof, here we f***ing go with this goddamn thing. Oh, your dad probably put a candy wrapper in there. Brilliant. Brilliant! Let's get the front tire up and out of there. We're gonna go up and to my way a little bit. There we go. Here you go. That's it. That's it. That's it. There you go. You got it? Yeah. Yeah. That ain't Parker. Oh, there he is. He had to go down, right? Drag race thing. Battery stall. You go down? Yeah, baby! Go, go, Scotty, go, go! Go, go, Scotty, go, go! Scotty doesn't know! Don't tell James! That is a workout. James. Found it. Hold on a second, we're gonna take a picture.
Oh my God. James might as well have been riding with his eyes closed. No, I couldn't see nothing. Who wanted to stay on that?